Hello and welcome to our straightforward tutorial on setting up a page using Gempages for Shopify. The link to Gempages is in the description. Let's dive into the steps. Start by navigating to gempages.net. This is where you'll access the Gempages tool for Shopify. Once on the site, look for and click the Start for Free button. This will take you to the Shopify App Store. In the Shopify App Store, find the Gempages app and click on Install Now. This will add Gempages to your Shopify store. After installation, open the Gempages builder. Here, you will begin crafting your custom page. In the builder, click on Create New Page. This is where your page creation process starts. You will be asked to select your use case. After selecting, opt for Start from Scratch to build a page entirely tailored to your needs. Now it's time to design your page. Drag and drop your preferred layout from the sidebar into your page. After setting your layout, click on Choose Templates. This will take you to the template library. In the template library, browse and select a template that suits your website style and needs. Once you have chosen a template, you can start adding different features and elements. All these templates are fully editable, allowing you to customize them as you wish. After you've finished editing and are happy with your page, don't forget to click on Save to ensure all your changes are stored. And there you have it, a simple guide to creating a custom page on Shopify using Gempages. Happy designing! Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.